and welcome to my channel, or back to my channel. I am the Inconsistent Crafter, and today I'm going to be working on some fruit and vegetable earrings. As you see right there, I did those strawberry earrings last time and I loved them so much I decided to just do a whole series of fruits and vegetables, and I think they turned out amazing. I will be listing most of these on Etsy. Some of them I didn't finish, so there'll be another video about those later. And some I'm keeping or testing out to see how durable they are. Okay, back to the video. Enjoy. So I finished this project. My dog's whining at me. Hold on a second. So this is my fruits and veggie series. I don't know why this one's in here. So as you see, I've got strawberries, and this time I added little black into the holes, and I added these hearts. And then we have pears here, and my eggplants. And then I gotta switch out so you can see this in 1 second. Okay, here's the next set. As you see here, we got some bananas and some bell peppers and some carrots. I really like the carrots. I love all of these, but I have favorites, of course. Okay, next set. And then we have these. So we got some green grapes here. And then we got, I mean, you can either say they're purple grapes or blackberries, which is what they are. What I made them as is the blackberries. But, I mean, they can go either way. And then here we have some little broccolis. Aren't they so cute? And I do have other ones, but I'm not finished with them. I will show you the cherries. But I'm testing these out right now because, as you can see, the stem is pretty thin. So I just want to test the durability of it before I try to sell these ones. So I'm really kind of just like working these suckers to see how they're going to do. But I really like how those turned out. So we'll see how that goes. I also have some more, but I'll do another video on those because I'm going to add some stuff to it. Anyway, thanks for watching me, the Inconsistent Crafter. I keep wanting to say use-a-palooza. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.